Alright guys, here we go. Estimating. Now, estimating doesn't actually mean just have a crazy wild guess and, hope that your answer's right. What it really means that you look at the messed up numbers, simplify them, make it look easier, and then bang, do it. Of course, it won't be accurate, but you know what? It's definitely easy on the brain and will help you do well. So, let's pick a nice, beautiful example and then try and understand what rounding really is. So suppose we are asked to round the following number, say 125.7 plus 42.1 over 46.6 times 2.8. Okay, hell, if you're going to solve this example, well, of course you'd like to use a calculator. But thank God there's something known as estimating, where we can use a curly equal sign and then you round these using significant figures or decimal places. And usually we want to round to one or two significant figures, which is quite sensible. Let's say, well, 2. So looking at the first number, rounding this to two significant figures, what do we have? 125.7 to two significant figures. This is about 130 plus this number, I would say 42, or preferably one significant figure, I would say 40, make it easier for myself, over 46.6, that looks like it's coming up to 50, and lastly 2.8, hell, that looks like a 3. So, not perfect, but this looks pretty good, and now all we do is literally just solve this. So what do we have? 130 plus 40, 170. 50 times 3, 5 times 3 is 15, add a 0, 150. And you can see it's a bit bigger than 1 because these cancel out, but this is roughly 1. And yeah, that's really how you estimate. Now, let's do, well, actually, yeah, that's really what you have to do. And again, you can always put this in a calculator and see what you actually get. Well, that could be an example you can do. Put in calculator to see the actual result. Now, let's move on to some examples I want you guys to practice. Okay, so I've listed this 4 and 5. Again, these are the grades you'll get in the 9 to 1 paper, so I hope you guys like my new style. Now, jumping in, the question wants us to estimate the value of 5.24 times 12.12 over 6.7. Again, using the fact that you can round to one or two significant figures, we could neatly say that 5.24 is 5 times 12.12, we can just say 12, doesn't bite, over 6.7, can round up and we get 7. So what we have here, 5 times 12, we should know this times table, is about 60, well, no, about it is, over 7. And here we go, guys. I mean, you can, of course, solve this further, but I think this is good. Okay, now, let's do the next part. The volume of a sphere is given by the formula V equals 4/3 pi r cubed. So this is the formula that we need to know. That'll be given in the exam anyway. Use this formula to find an estimate of the sphere of a radius r equals 5. All right, cool. Let's do this. So once again, so we need to know what the value pi is. Pi on the side, we can say pi is approximately 3.14. Thank God for estimation. We can say this is about 3. Make our life easy. So, and r is 5, so therefore volume is about 4/3 pi is times 3 times r squared, 5 r cubed, so 5 cubed is 5 times 5 times 5. Put in a calculator, or knowing that 5 times 5 is 25, you should get 125. And the cool thing about this is that these two actually cancel out, so 3 cancels with 3. Top and bottom always cancel, so we're left with 4 times 125. Double, so a quick way to just double is 250, double 250 is 500. So the solution, or whatever the unit is, let's just say, I don't know, centimeter squared, yeah, equals 5 centimeters, is 500 centimeter cube. And that's it, guys. Hope this helps, and yeah, have a pop. And if you like this, please let me know in the poll I'll be adding above it. And good luck with any future problems. Cheers.